In this video, I will show you how to report an error with your EVISA. The Home Office has launched a new online form to report any EVISA related problems such as difficulties viewing an EVISA or if the status displayed is incorrect. From 1st January 2025, EVISA will become the standard for immigration status verification in the UK. If you are currently hold a BRP or any other physical document, it's important to prepare for this transition by creating UKVI account. This will allow you to check your e-visa status online and address any potential error early. So for that, you will go on www.gov.uk/report-error-e-visa. You can search that from gov.uk directly as well. Once you're on this page, use this service to tell UKVI if any of the following details are wrong on your e-visa. For example, your name, your sponsor reference, photo, NI number, visa restriction, immigration status, valid until date. You can also use this service if UKVI set up your account for you, but used an email address or phone number you have never had access to. I'll put this link in the description of this video as well. Before you start, you'll need to give your full name, date of birth, nationality as they appear on your e-visa, an email address or UK postal address. You will be also asked to give one of the following: passport number, BRP, global web form, GWF number, unique application number, UAN, UKVI number. We'll click on start now. We'll end up on the page where it will ask what is the problem with your e-visa. So for example, we'll say the valid until, which is very common. So for example, 31st of 12, 2024. What is the correct date your visa is valid to? Okay. Or we can do it 2025, for example. Click continue. Personal details. Now it will ask you all the personal details. For example, your name, date of birth, reference number, country of nationality. Continue. Do you have permission to stay in the UK as a refugee? No. How should we contact you about your e-visa? So, UK email address. Continue. Are you completing this form on behalf of someone else? No. Check your answers. Submit request. This is how you will do this form. By sending your request, you are confirming that the best of your knowledge that the details are provided are all correct. It's very simple and this will help you to sort your e-visa out.